Hello and welcome to the BodyBoss Programs video tutorial. My name is Daryl Liu and this video will describe how to view, create, modify, and remove programs found on the BodyBoss program. So let's start. To better understand programs and how programs fit in the PWA model, be sure to check out our tutorial on the BodyBoss Fitness Library. Let's go to BodyBoss now and take a look at the program section. We're already logged into BodyBoss, as you can see. If you aren't, go ahead and log in at sport.bodybossfitness.com to follow along. So let's go to the dumbbell icon and click on the programs link. As you can see, this page provides you with a list of created programs either preloaded by us or created by coaches in your team. You can scroll down to find a specific program, or you can simply search on the programs search box above. So let's create a new program. You can actually copy your programs by clicking on the copy program, or the copy icon here. This way, if you want to leverage a previous program such as a Season 1 and while you're creating Season 2 but only adjust certain workouts, this actually makes building that program a lot faster. For example, if I want to copy this Advanced Hotel program, click on the copy, and there it is. As you can see, it adds the copy suffix to the name. And if you were to view it, you can actually just click into it. Here we'll just click delete. And as you can see, it's been now removed. Alright, so let's go ahead and just click one from scratch. So let's click on New Program at the top right. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the program. We'll just call ours the 2-day program. Very creative. You can also assign this program to one or more groups. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's just assign it to the All group. You also have the ability to build your program from an existing program, as you can see from all the existing ones, or you can actually start from scratch. We'll just start from scratch. Click Create when finished. So here we're brought to the main screen for viewing a program. Here we can go back into the Edit button to view or edit the name of the program, or also delete the program completely. So we'll just hit Cancel. Alright, so let's create the program by creating two workouts using the percentages scheme. One push day and one pull day. Because we'll be using percentages for a couple of the lists, we'll need to create an assessment workout too. So let's click on a new workout. You can actually scroll for a workout that may already exist, but as many of you are probably creating a new program, new workouts, we'll just go through this flow. So let's click New Workout from the top right. You'll be prompted to add a name as well as a description. You can also copy an existing workout, just like we can copy an existing program. So let's go ahead and add the assessment workout. And we'll say the assessment workout for 2-day program. We're going to leave this from starting from scratch. We're also going to make this little check mark for make workout and assessment. Again, this is utilized so that you can build your 1-rep maxes for the players and then build those percentages so BodyBoss can automatically calculate weights. So let's go and hit Create. So now we're building the assessment workout. Let's go ahead and just add the exercises that matter most to you. So let's keep this simple by using the percentage scheme for the barbell bench press and the wide grip pull-up. Because this is an assessment workout, your players will only input the 1-rep maxes again. So let's go ahead and add the barbell bench press. So we select that from the list, we'll click Add. As you see, it's been added. And then we'll do the wide grip pull-up. There it is. Again, you can also scroll through that list, or you can type, as you can see there, and it just changes the list quickly and easily for you. So we'll click Add again. So here's 2 exercises. Now we're done. Let's just go ahead and now go back into the 2-day program. Great. So as you can see, it's been added to the list already, making this pretty easy. If you want to, you can also preview the workout, which is just an assessment workout. The rep scheme is just one. It's barbell bench press and wide grip pull-up, just like we just did. Alright, so let's actually create the actual workouts. Let's create the 2-day, day 1. So let's create a new workout. We'll just call this the 2-day, day 1. And actually, we'll go back in there and say week 1. Right? And we can copy the description. We're going to keep it from scratch. And this is not an assessment anymore, so we'll leave this check mark blank. We'll just hit create. Alright, so let's add the barbell bench press. Barbell bench press, there we go. And let's say we want to do 6 sets of 2 reps each and at 80%. So with this, you'll just want to put a comma in between each one of the sets to designate that those are the separate sets. And because we are doing 6 sets, we want to see, of 6 sets of 2, we want to see 2, 2, 2, 2. There you go. So now we've got 6 twos, designating 6 sets of 2 reps. And for the percentage scheme, we'll add the 80. And again, we'll do this for these 6 sets. So here's 6 sets. Once we do that, we click add. There you go, now it's been added. Now for the second exercise, we will add, let's just say, a dumbbell bench press. We'll make this just a simple, let's see, just 2 sets of 10. So we'll just say, there you go. And this one, because we never did an assessment for, we can't really add a percentage to that. So we'll just leave this blank. Use as a 10 by 10. Alright, so if you leave this blank, the percentages scheme, and if you're not using the assessment, essentially you're now leveraging BodyBoss's smart algorithm. Smart algorithm is a proprietary algorithm by BodyBoss, whereby BodyBoss actually calculates the weights for the players based on previous workouts and their theoretical maxes. So it's important to note that the smart algorithm only works with specific BodyBoss preloaded barbell and dumbbell exercises, in addition to dips and pull-ups. Alright, so let's go ahead and just wrap it up. We'll just keep this as a simple day 1. Let's go back to the 2-day program right there, and you can see it's been added to the list already. If we want to view what we just did, you hit preview and you can see the 6 sets of 2 reps, all of it at 80%. Rep scheme for the dumbbell bench press is 2 sets of 10. Great. Alright, so let's add that second day. So the second day is going to be the 2-day. It'll be week 1, day 2. And again, this is going to be our pull day. We're still starting from scratch, and we're also making this workout an assessment, or not an assessment. So let's hit create. For this one, let's just do the one exercise, and that's a wide grip pull-up. And let's go ahead and just make this one, let's say, a 5 by 5, and add 73% for each set. We're going to hit add, and there you go. We'll go back to the 2-day program. There it is. It's been added. Easy. So if we want to make these workouts recurring but only edit parts of the workout, which is very common for many cycles, we can do that by simply clicking on the copy link for the workout and editing the new workout. So for example, if we have the 2-day week 1, day 1, if we wanted to make day 1 but for week 2, we can actually hit the copy. Hit copy there. I'm going to copy for the day 2 as well. And as you can see, this is going to, it looks exactly the same as the first day on week 1. All we got to do now is actually edit it. Right? So if we go back into week 1, day 1 copy. We're going to edit the workout. Actually edit the name so it's no longer copy. Instead, this is actually week 2 update. Let's say that we want everything to now be incremented by 3%. So we'll just edit all the rep schemes by 3%. We'll stick to the 6 sets by 2. You can see it's been saved. All right. Then we'll go back here. Now we go back, as you can see, now it's been updated to week 2, day 1. Week 2, day 1. Now if we view this, preview, there it is, it's been saved. 83, 83, 83, just like we just did. Right. And this one is still week 1, day 2 copy. Everything's the same. We can also go back into here and edit the workout. Let's go ahead and do that. Right. So week 2, day 2, click update. We also want this to be 75 maybe. Right. And saved. Let's go back. We refresh. There you go. Now you have week 2, day 2 as well. And if we preview, there it is a 5x5, and now it's 75. And that does not touch your week 1, day 2. Now if we preview that, that is 5x5, and there's the 73s that we had set originally. Right? So next, let's just go ahead and assign this program to the all group, so which it already is, based on what we've done earlier when we created the program. You can also set this as the current program for all your players within the groups. So just to do that, all you have to do is hit set as current program. Program was successfully assigned to all group members, and all that does is if all your players are currently on a season 1 and you want them to be on this 2-day program now, all you have to do is now hit set as current program, and now this program now supersedes the season 1. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. This concludes the video tutorial for the viewing and creating, modifying, and removing programs video tutorial in BodyBoss. We hope you have found this helpful. If you have any questions, please visit our support page for frequently asked questions, getting started guides, as well as other video tutorials. If you still can't find what you're looking for, please contact us at support@bodybossfitness.com. Thank you.